Ralitsa, I'm really excited to ask you a few questions today. Why and how did you decide to work in impact investing?
My name is Ralitsa Rizvanolli. I'm one of the partners at Sarona Asset Management. What we do is impact investing across emerging markets. We've been doing this for the last 16 years now, and we work across the spectrum with public investors as well as private investors. For me, it was a bit of a journey, starting with an interest in international relations and politics, and then studying development. And that's really how I discovered first microfinance. That's how I started my career. But over time, I transitioned more into private equity, and my career has been built in emerging markets, and I have been able to see firsthand how that kind of capital flow is enabling these companies to grow, to create jobs, to create impact on the ground for the communities and beneficiaries that use their products and services.
What are the key values that drive your investment decisions?
At Sarona, we have 6 key values: honesty and integrity, kindness and respect, as well as excellence and creativity.
What are the biggest challenges facing impact investors today?
So I think some of the biggest challenges are around perception of risk and asymmetry of information. I think a lot of the impact investing opportunities are in emerging markets. For investors who have a very small allocation to those markets, traditionally, there is a big sort of leap of faith to consider investing in those geographies. Of course, the geopolitics and the macroeconomic turmoils of the last, really 5 years are also presenting really big challenges. But where there's challenges, there's also opportunities.
Where do you see the impact investing space evolving in the next 5 to 10 years?
I think in maybe 5 years' time, we will see other regions in emerging markets, in Australia, in other, outside of Europe, also embracing this topic. And so I expect that that impact investing will become a much higher percentage in terms of portfolio allocations.
How would you describe the summit in 3 words?
Thought-provoking, collaborative, building bridges.
Thank you so much for joining and giving us your insights.